Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami pencil that is very easy to make. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. For this model, I only need half of the regular origami paper. So I'm going to cut this one in half. Start with the origami white side face up and fold the top about 1 centimeter. Crease, and then fold the bottom and leave again about 1 centimeter white side. Now turn the model over and fold in half vertically. And unfold. Bring the top right corner to the middle line. Crease. And then the top left corner to the middle line. And crease. Now we'll fold it vertically, starting with this point where the two lines meet. And we'll do the same on the other side. That's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you in the next video!